Beko Dishwasher Error E03. What does it mean and how to fix it? A dishwasher is a household essential that makes daily life easier by washing and drying dishes using hot water and detergent. A key component of its operation is the heating element, which raises the water temperature to ensure thorough cleaning and drying. But what should you do if your Beko dishwasher displays error code E03? What does error code E03 mean in a Beko dishwasher? Error code E03 indicates an issue with water heating. This could mean that the heating element is malfunctioning or that the dishwasher is struggling to maintain the correct temperature. The most common causes include a faulty temperature sensor, a damaged heating element, or an issue with the relay on the control board. How to fix error E03? The safest solution is to call a professional technician who can diagnose the issue and check the condition of the heating element, sensor, and control system. Attempting to fix it yourself could lead to further damage or even a more serious malfunction. Why should you seek professional help? Error E03 can be caused by various faults, such as a broken heating element, a defective control board, or temperature sensor issues. Due to the difficulty of accessing components and the risk of electric shock, it is best to leave the repair to an expert. If your Beko dishwasher displays error code E03, don't ignore it. A quick diagnosis and professional repair can prevent bigger problems and extend the lifespan of your appliance.